بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم قال رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقهوا قولي. Ladies and gentlemen, today I wanted to share you some of the excellent book that I intend you. But this book and its name called Love Yourself. This is the cover page of the book that I intend you. But this book has different features, different points, at least 5 chapter or 4 chapter. It has 70 pages. But it is important for you, if you read this book, I'm really sure you will change for your life as soon as possible. But this is the cover page of the book that I intend you. Has different points on the cover page, but nobody is better than you. That's really, but you are the best for your life, but no one can better than you. That is really the second point. Stop comparing yourself and to others, but don't compare yourself and to others, but you are the best. Right? If you think but the other people is better than you, by the time that you are falling for your life. The second point, learn and practice a new skills. You have to learn and practicing a new skills, and every day that's very, very important for you. The fourth point is don't be jealous. It means jealous. For example, when I do something, you will be jealous. You can do what I did before, right? Stop. You have a decision, but don't connect for your life to others. But don't do what they did before, right? But the decision that you cut your mind only. But this is the first cover page of the book. The second cover page is. Okay, this is stop judging. For example, if you look at me, but don't be judged. The person that you look the first time, right? The second point, when you fulfill your need is faster, right? Everything begins for yourself. Meaning the wisdom of Arabic and says itself, إذا أردت تغيير حالتك فابدأ بتغيير عادتك, and everything beginning for yourself before you go others. Or the third point, become a benefit finder. You can looking for everything as a benefit for you. The fourth point, and keep your words. That's very important for you, and to keep for your words. The 5 point is look on the bright side. You have to look on the bright side. For example, when someone would give you some examples, but don't think the negative way. You have to think the bright on the side, or become optimism person. Means optimism and pessimism. Optimism when someone who think always the bright side is, or the good way to think. When the people who give is something, but always they think a negatively way. But don't become everything as a negatively. Thank you. The sixth point, but honor your right decision. But you have to make a good decision that no one can change for your life. Your decision. If you think this road is a village, right? But you have a commitment, your decision. No one can break your decision. If the people can say to you, turn the left or right, but stop them. Your commitment, your decision, right? That's the best important thing is for your life. Where there is a will, there is a way, right? That is the last point is that I wanted to give you, but let me show you the book, how it look like. Okay, this is the book that I intend you. Let me show you. Okay, this is the table of the contents of the book. Has different points and has different chapters. I guess is important if you read this book, you will change for your life, and read every month one chapter. I'm really sure you will change for your life. But if I get down, the lessons of the book has different. This is the introduction of the book. Okay, this is and how to use this book, but it will give you many important words. You can. The first chapter, but you are in control for yourself. But you are in control for yourself. You have to do or to follow and take a full responsibility for your life. That is the best important thing is, and to take responsibility for yourself. The second point or the last point that I wanna to share you, but is stopped and complaining, right? Are you complaining a lot? Yes, if yes, right? The third point, take your own decision, right? But your own decision, but don't become the people can